Okay, Ken, I have your quad ready. So you sent me the marmotte to build, and here it is finished up. It turned out really nice. This is such a beautiful frame. Man, I just don't even know what to say about it. It's just amazing looking. And look at that thing. Damn. Oops. Yeah, so let's go through the parts. So we have the Hype Train Acro series. It's the 2207 2450 kV. I think that's what it says. Yeah. The V1. So I guess there's a V2. I didn't even know that. Very nice motors, man. So smooth. Oh my god. So next we have the stack. You got the T-Motor F45 amp. I love that 4-in-1. I use it a lot whenever I can on builds. A lot of people will let me choose the electronics, and whenever I can, I always go for that 4-in-1. It's really good. It always works. Anything T-Motor is just amazing. And then I don't remember if I recommended this flight controller or not, but I always recommend this flight controller. Recently anyway. I mean, it just came out not too long ago, but it's the Maytech F722 SE, and it's just a really good flight controller. One of the better F7s besides the Talon, but the Talon's 20x20. I'm talking about full size. Yeah, it's really good. Really good. And then we have the Unify 5-volt, and I have that on the Airblade board along with the Crossfire Nano in the back here. You got the button right there for the VTX, and the button for the receiver is on the other side, right inside there. I don't know if you'll be able to see that or not. You can see it in person though. Oh, and then the Vifly buzzer. I put it up front here with the button facing out so that you'll be able to get to it. I was actually able to push it with my finger. So when you're done flying, you can just push it. See, I'm actually clicking it right now. Just hold that down for like 2 or 3 seconds and let go, and then it'll go beep, 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 and that means it's turned off. I'll show you though. And then you have the, I think this is the Josh Bardwell Eagle Micro. Yeah. Yep. And I think that's it. I put the giant cap on there. You can see in the back there, the biggest cap you can get for a quad. I just love how the camera mounts up here. Well, it's weird because I started out just using the these pieces that you're supposed to use, but for a micro cam it wasn't fitting. So I guess these pieces are for a micro cam. I didn't know that till after. So I threw those on there, and it makes the camera come out real close to the edge. You can see it's basically pretty much lined up with that front there. I don't know if you want to maybe change that or do something. I don't know. I had to actually put like some screws and then like some little spacers to make this fit. I don't know if, I guess it must be made for a mini cam. Because the micro was just a couple millimeters on each side it needed, and I couldn't just bend the pieces in, so. But it looks good to me. I mean, I would leave it like that. I love how you can unscrew these screws and just turn the whole thing. It's so awesome. And then I didn't use this for the XT60 just because it makes it awkward for your batteries, for how you place your batteries. I love to have it just right here, because when you got your battery on here, you can just plug right in just like this, and everything stays low profile. If you have it right here, you're gonna have to that wouldn't even reach like that. And this is 1,000 milliamps, so 1,300 it would be even back here. You wouldn't be able to reach like that. Then you'd have to turn it around like this way. And then you got the wires sticking up and stuff, so I put it back here. I think that's about it. Oh, and then for your radio, I had to mod it because it's a QX7, not the S. so I had to open it up and mod it. I was sitting here like, damn, why won't this open? Because I took the 4 screws out of the back, and I had to, it was because of the skin that you have on there, so I had to cut it all the way around to be able to crack this thing open. Put the little resistor in or whatever it is, and then I had to update your SD card contents. So I got you the newest one, so it has everything that you need, including the Crossfire Lua. And that's also where I ran your smart audio, so I'll show you how to do that in here as well. So, your battery strap. I think I put your battery strap away. I'll just give you another one because I got one sitting right here. I'll try to set this where you can see it. I'm gonna have to hold it. Okay. So in your radio, go center and up, features, smart audio, and there you go. That's where your smart audio is. Sorry about that. I do so many builds, I never remember what I did on what. I usually try to write it down, and I did write it down on yours, but it's in the box behind me, and I was too lazy to go look. So there's your smart audio right there. It's working. So, all right. Oh, actually, let me get out of that. Okay, so now we'll do a little hover and get this thing shipped out to you. I have not hovered this yet, so I hope that it goes well. Here we go. Oh, damn. I'm always scared when I first arm it. I think it's going to flip out and kill me. All right. Oh my God. I swear to God, man, this is so insane. You know how many times a day I hover a quad in this room, or I also fly outside, you know, but so I know, I can tell when something is different, you know, or off about a build. And I'm talking about like the firmware, the Betaflight firmware. I swear to God, man, this 4.0 shit is insane. I can't even explain it. It's just so smooth. It's ridiculous. Like, I had to stop to tell you guys this because I can't believe it. I mean, it is just so smooth and locked in and, like, just does everything that you want. It's crazy. Look how just locked in that is. It's crazy. It's just sitting there waiting for you. It's like, what do you want me to do? Oh, man. Crazy. Okay, now I unplugged the battery and you can hear that it's beeping. So you just stick your finger in there, hold it down for 3 seconds, and there you go, it's turned off. Beautiful build. Yeah, that 4.0 is something else, man. Crazy. All right, well, I'm going to get this boxed up, and I'll send you over some tracking as soon as I have it. All right, thanks, Ken.